Hello friends, welcome to Selection IS. Today we are going to know about a very important project by the Chinese president that's called Global Security Initiative. It will be quite helpful when it's come to international politics and ongoing changes that are taking place in the context of international politics. So let's understand what is this Global Security Initiative and why it has been come into being. So let's understand. So this China's Global Security Initiative was actually officially announced by President Xi Jinping during the Bao's Forum for Asia annual conference that was held in April 2022. So the year is important because we are witnessing rapid changes in the international politics, and we also understand that there has been change in the gravity of international politics from the Atlantic to the Indo-Pacific. So now this region has become very important in context of international politics. So toward that, the Chinese government has come up with this Global Security Initiative. So let's understand some of the other important aspects of Global Security Initiative. So as per Chinese understanding, this Global Security Initiative includes 6 commitments. So these 6 commitments are very important part of this Global Security Initiative. So आइए इन 6 important commitment को जानते हैं. First, the vision of common, comprehensive, cooperative and sustainable security. So this is one of the commitment under this Global Security Initiative. Other, respect for the sovereignty and territorial integrity of all the countries. Third, the role and the authority of the United Nations and its charter. Fourth, the legitimate security concern of all the countries. Fifth, peaceful resolution of differences and dispute through dialogue and consultation. And last important commitment is the maintenance of security in both traditional and non-traditional domain. So though this seems important commitment, but when it's come to the practicality of this Chinese foreign policy approach in the international politics, it sounds then when we analyze the Chinese foreign policy in the present world order, so these 6 commitments seems quite diverge from the important issues. So many a time Chinese government has acted contradictory to these 6 important commitments, be it one of the dispute related to the South China Sea, in that unclosed United Nations Law of the High Seas has actually given a verdict in the favor of Philippines, but China has altogether rejected the verdict because that was not in Chinese interest. So that goes against the United Nations Charter's principles. At the same time, Chinese approach through its BRI, that's a geopolitical construct that actually infringes on India's sovereignty through its CPEC program. So that's actually violate India's sovereignty. So this also contradicts with Chinese 6 important commitments. So let's understand some of the other aspect about this Global Security Initiative. So when it comes to need of the Global Security Initiative, so we need to understand what are the geopolitical situation in the region. So as we have understood that the Indo-Pacific region has become very important due to the rise of China as a superpower. So important country like United States and European Union, country like UK, Germany, these all have actually make this Indo-Pacific region quite important, and it also creates a security threat, and obviously it actually reduces the Chinese influence in the region. So therefore China is concerned about it and come up with the Global Security Initiative. Besides this, emergence of minilateral institutions like Quad, where India is also one of the important member, and AUKUS. So these also actually create concern for the China's influence in the region. So considering all this in the mind, Chinese government has come up with this Global Security Initiative. So as we have discussed, GSI apparently seeks to actually ensure stable regional environment by emphasizing peaceful and non-military measures to resolve the tension along China's border, and emergence of these minilateral like Quad, where countries like USA, India, Japan, Australia, and AUKUS, that is Australia, UK and United States of America. So these things actually are important when it's come to the Indo-Pacific region, and also one of the concern behind emergence of global security initiative. So as we are living in a 21st century where the foreign policy is changing very rapidly, and toward that the Chinese approach of global security initiative is one of the example of it. Through this, China is going to assert itself more effectively and also more aggressively when it's come to safeguarding its national interest. So this is all about global security initiative. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to Selection IS. And for such amazing content, kindly join our Telegram channel named Selection IS.